Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to create a quick and easy kids Valentine's Day treat. So these are dies from Erica at ScrapDiva Design, and I just wanted to show you a way that you could create a fun Valentine's Day activity for your kids to make their own, actually it's this one, to make their own Valentines for their friends. It's something that's inexpensive and fun to do. Okay, so we are going to cut these dies out like this, and then you can see as the pieces punch out very easily, you're left with everything you need to create. Just want to make sure I don't rip these. These little fringes can be delicate, so you have to definitely make sure to be mindful when you're ripping them out, because they are all sliced, which is beautiful that they come all sliced, but just be sure to take care when you slice them out. Anyway, so you get your child to write the name to and from on there, and then you simply put those together like this, and then you staple it in place like so. And then you get them to decorate with stickers, and it's a really fun little gift that they can easily carry to school, simple to make. And here's an example of one of the ones that I made for Sophia. It includes actually Erica's word dies as well, that little smooch in the middle. That's something more complicated and would take more time to do for each individual classmate. So I just wanted to show you ways that you could make them really quite cute, or ways that you could keep them simple and easily repeated. So we had a lot of fun putting these together. I gave her some little gems and pearls to decorate them up as well, to give them a little sparkle and stuff, and it was a really fun afternoon. So the candies themselves were really very inexpensive, and you could substitute this for any sort of packaged good, could be licorice or whatnot. But anyway, if you're interested in these dies, they are available on Erica's shop at ScrapDiva Design. You can use Polka Dot Mailbox 10 to save 10% off your next order if you're interested in any of the items in her shop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.